From startup to becoming an international or a scaling company, it's probably one of the most challenging parts of a business, and it's probably fraught with risk, because one of the key changes that happens in that is that the leadership that's in the startup phase may not be the same leadership that's needed in the growth phase. And a lot of companies, there's a lot of transition, there's a lot of unrest in that time for a company. In our case, I suppose we went through a phase where a lot of our key people who were involved in startup stayed with us, but several of our key people weren't able to handle the transition and ultimately left. The skills you need are very, very different. The motivation you need to be able to get the business started at home is not the same as the motivation you need to be able to internationalise and travel, and it takes a huge amount of effort, a huge amount of courage, to be able to get stuck and internationalise a business, and that's not for everybody, but it's worked out well for us.
Tell me about the importance of picking the right team, having the right people around you on that journey of scale.
Yeah, I suppose in my opinion, probably the most important thing in people is to pick people who are positive. Surround yourself with people who are realistic but also positive, rather than having the negative bent. I suppose again, when starting up, work ethic, whenever we hire people right now, it's all to do with work ethic. We don't really look at what they had studied in college. That's not really particularly relevant. It's all to do with what their background, what they did when they were in college from a volunteering perspective. Did they have a summer job? Did they work on their parents' shop? What did they do? And that work ethic, usually if they had it at an early stage, it's something that will follow them into later life, and that's a key skill set that we look for.